Hello everyone, so welcome back to yet another video of React. So today in this video we'll see how we can access the value of any object inside React, and if we want to iterate through an array and show the value on the web page, then how we can do it using React. So let's begin. So first of all, let's see what we learned in the previous video. So counter and everything, we learned how to make functional components and everything. So these codes are not required anymore, so I will remove it. Okay, nice. Okay, so this got removed, this also I will remove, no need for them. Then I will save and see, it should be blank. Yeah, I got a blank area. Now I will make a new folder in my src. So keep this in mind, whatever components you are making, place it inside this src folder, otherwise it won't be accessed. Okay, so now I will make a iteration component folder. I will name the same component.jsx. Then I will use this react arrow function component, and I created one component here. Now I'll save it. I will go to app.jsx. Then here I will call my component here. I will render it here. Okay, nice. Now I will go here. So first of all, let's see how we can access the value of an object inside the HTML component of React. Okay, so we will take a user object here. We will take name, cool developer. Then we will take the age, it is 25. Let's see, I'm way older, but I'm hiding my age, no issues. So college, what I can give, Raipur University city. Okay, university. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm writing the spelling of university wrong. Okay, so after that what we are going to do, we will take a div here. Okay, inside that div, what happened here? Okay, so we can use prettier as well. Prettier is also a good extension in order to keep your codes in a well formatted way. Okay, so h1 I will show, what I will show here, user.name, there was dot as well, name. Okay, then again h1 I will take one, user.age I will take. Okay, then similarly I will take user.college and I will close it. And once I'll save it and go to the web page, you can see the values are getting appended here. Okay, so like this we can access the value of any object inside React. Okay, now we will see how we can access the value of an array. So first let's take an array, const user array is equal to this is an array. Let's put some objects inside it. Okay, fine. First one I'll leave as it is. Then the second one I will write some name, Aman Right, okay, 28 I will take. Now I will take Delhi University. Okay, now here I will take Simran Sinha. Okay, here I can take 30. Okay, now here I can take which university? Tell me some good name. JNK University. Let's see. University. Nice. So these are the objects. Now again I will use prettier so that it gets formatted in a very good looking way. Okay, so it's looking good now. So again now I will take a div. Okay, now in order to separate this out I will take this and I will give some background color. Okay, I will give it afterwards using the React Dev, no, Google Chrome Dev Tools. Okay, then again we can take the curly braces, then we will use this user.array, then we will use the map function. First we will take the objects, single objects, and then index, then we will iterate through each object and we will return it. Okay, so let's take the first element as ul. Okay, now inside this I will take various list. So here I will take element dot name. Oh no, not full element, ele. Object, I have taken it as object, so obj dot name. Then again list tag, then obj dot college or age. Okay, then we can take obj dot college. Okay, and we will save it. Now we can go here and we can see everything is coming printed here. First object is this, second object is this, and the third object is this. Okay, fine. Now let's open the console here and see what it is showing. So remove it, again we will refresh it. Let's see what it shows. So here it is showing like warning, each child in a list should have a unique key prop. So in order to remove this error, it is saying like whenever we are using this array method, so each child should have a unique ID for each object that we are iterating in a array. So we will write here key, we can pass a key prop, and idx we can write. Now this error will be gone. idx is not defined, why then? Okay, here it is index, so we'll have to write it index. Okay, so now it is fine. idx, again idx, what happened? idx index indx key index, what is the issue here? It should work. Yeah, it is working now. So now I will again refresh and see. Now there is no warning or errors being shown here, okay, in the console. So whenever you are iterating through an array in React, remember to pass a unique key to the child of this array. Okay, fine. So this is it for this video. We covered how we can like access the values of any object, and how we can iterate over an array and show the values inside a React component. So hope this video was helpful. So in another video we will talk about more about props, how we can share some data from one component to another component. So till then guys, take care, and if you like the video, please like it And if you want, if you have any doubts, then you can put it in comments. I'll be happy to resolve it. And till my next videos, I'll see you and take care. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video.